Okay, just a quick update about my LiveGood and my Now site. It's out of sight, and I'm living good and living pretty great. So, all right, hope you guys are doing mighty fine. This is Corey here. Thanks for watching my videos, you guys, and subscribe if you like. What my goal is today is to do probably 4 or 5 videos that pertain not only to the LiveGood business. It's got to do with just getting stuck, and I still think that one of the best ways of getting unstuck in the mind and the body and the fingers trying to type on the keyboard, just trying to get some darn leads, or just a nice person in South Africa to look at your business and live good, or maybe you're a realtor, just about any business, because with AI technology, it's just not all about live good. You can definitely use it in other businesses, of course, and we'll discuss that a little bit later. I just wanted to do a quick YouTube video because this morning I'm getting a lot of just inbox messages or emails. Just everyone is getting stuck right around the same time frame with LiveGood, or even if they're trying to do something like AI technology. And this is what it comes down to. The good thing about LiveGood is when you do join, sure, you got to configure a little bit. Get your username, get your password. The good news is the products are already made. They're working. LiveGood's on their way to 8 to 10 million per month in only 5 months of when we become an affiliate, right around December 13th. You don't have to worry about shipping, handling, returns. The capture page that officially gets people in to LiveGood are maintained by LiveGood. The website is maintained by LiveGood. So if you want to come up with your own website, you can. If you want to come up with your own capture page, it's a page before they get to the LiveGood, real capture page that gets them into the system where they can absolutely join, okay? Because when it comes to marketing, of course you want to get as many eyeballs as you can to your business, all right? Attraction marketing is my favorite. It's where I put my life in front of a camera. I've been doing this a long time, and I know it's not that I have an advantage. It's just that I've never been shy. And if you go back to grade school, I always wanted to crack jokes. I wanted attention because I was probably just insecure. And I was way into girls way too early. If I could make a girl laugh, I swear to gosh, I would go home. And I thought I won Powerball. And Powerball wasn't even invented yet. And I was like in 3rd grade in the early 70s. So anyway, while Kiss was coming out with a new album, I was showing off so Julie and Laura and Kimberly and Becky and all these other girls would laugh at me. And believe it or not, those are real girls in grade school. Man, am I a stalker, weird, crazy guy. I need to grow up, don't I? So, okay. I think that if you're already in LiveGood, you've already made up your mind. It's a really nice opportunity. It just comes down to trying to post something interesting enough where people will at least come aboard and watch a 6-minute video, because from there, most people will figure LiveGood out on their own. They will join, and on the back office of your LiveGood, you can see people that either pre-roll, they're interested, and then when they join for sure, it'll say just upgrade, and you can tell every Friday when we get paid. It'll break down, who and where and what and why. Those dollar amounts are back there, but that's a whole other video. I just wanted to do a quick video right now just to say today I'm going to focus on the main problems of when people sign up for LiveGood, and if they're stuck, if they want to try AI technology or anything else. There's a whole bunch of ways to promote LiveGood. Of course, a business card in your pocket's always kind of fun just to hand out just in case you need to spread the joy. And of course, TikTok and Instagram, Facebook, solo ads, and all these other things. Warrior Plus, I forgot what it's called, Warrior something. In my opinion, all I can give you is, in my opinion, what's going to work and what hasn't worked in my realm, in my life, okay? And that's a whole video too, but I just want to focus on AI technology, and I want to focus on LiveGood. I'm going to do about 5-6 videos today. So if you're watching this one, just hold tight. It takes me about a half hour to produce a video, upload, get me a fresh piece of coffee, or a piece. Yeah, my coffee's so thick with cream, I cut it up. I just eat it because I love, well, you can see on my ADDD fridge, which everyone makes fun of my magnets, how straight they are. And now you can see that my coffee and my vitamins, they all face outward. Now that you guys can see my mini fridge, I'm going to now put a whole bunch of LiveGood products there. So I'll be a product of my own environment. I've got my LiveGood shirt, but I just wanted to wear my Friday the 13th hat today to match my Friday the 13th ring. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you want to join LiveGood or Nowsite, the links are right below this video. Let me get to work for a little bit, and I'm going to put in quite a bit of hours today making video of where most people get stuck either in their LiveGood business. Even if you haven't joined, I'm just planning on you getting stuck, and that's cool. And if you join Nowsite, which we've got an army of people now using, you're going to get stuck there as well, and that's cool. I've been able to figure out how to get unstuck in those certain areas. Not that I'm an expert, but I think I can help you guys out just with watching video. Okay, and I'll make them as short, as sweet as possible. I have some videos that are how-to, and some where we just hang out and shoot the shit. Okay, and I'll do some real nice quick ones, help you guys get unstuck. Because if we don't help each other in anything in life, and that can be a team, like in baseball, basketball, maybe you'd like to have groups where you guys just have a social activity. It's much fun to help each other, isn't it? Like if you're having a barbecue and everyone brings something to the table. But especially when it comes down to anything similar to an MLM or maybe a 2x15 matrix, because like I say in most of my videos, I'm not interested in signing up a bunch of people underneath me. I mean, sure, 25 bucks is great, but we have to teach everyone that signs up how they can get to, and they can get to, because the beauty of a 2x15 matrix, it's really amazing when you help everybody along the way. So that's what I want to do. My whole mission the next month or 6 months, I don't care what it takes. I want to do the best I can, that if you join up in my group, and you know what, even if you're signed up in another group, I don't even care at this point. I just want to pay it forward. So if I can help you get unstuck, even if you're in another LiveGood group, it doesn't matter. Hopefully my advice works. That's my goal. And everybody can have a better experience with LiveGood across the ocean. And right below, I was just doing a video about gravity. I keep thinking, gosh dang it, Australia's right on the other side of this planet. How does the ocean not drop when it's spinning below? Well, right on, mates. I'll end my video right now, and I'll get to work just making a bunch of videos to hopefully help you guys get unstuck in LiveGood after a few weeks, and get unstuck with Nowsite if you sign up and just don't know how to attach an email to a list of, let's say, 500 leads. Okay, I'll see you guys soon, and take it easy.